How to redeem a code on Steam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem a code on Steam. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Steam. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, on the top you'll find an option called Games. If you tap on it, you'll get these many options. Now, there are different types of code that you can use here. So, if you have a product activation code, you can simply head over to activate a product on Steam. And if you want to simply redeem a Steam wallet code, choose one of these. So, let's activate a product here. So, we can agree on these terms and conditions first. You can read through this if you want to. And after you do that, tap on agree. After you do that, all you now have to do is enter your product code and then tap on continue or confirm. After you do that, you will be just able to redeem the code and you're good to go. And it's that simple, guys. Now, it's the same for redeeming a Steam wallet code. Tap on it and it will take you to another page where you can simply enter your Steam's wallet code and then tap on continue. And it's that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.